Already all are the basic questions, and you will be raising zoom finger up, and you will be noting up your time by yourself. Am I clear? Any doubt in this?
And time means how much time? With what time?
See, your time starts now, and I will be asking you randomly and quick questions, very quick questions, and based on the topic matters in our surrounding. Anushka, your first chapter. Anish, your first chapter of physics. And yes, that is already yes, yours also first chapter. So everyone is having this as the first chapter. And my questions are very basic, but you have to come up with the raise hand option in the Zoom window. So I'm opening it. And my first question is
raise hand or raise finger of ours?
Raise hand in Zoom window. Yes, first question all said. First question is, what is atom? Pranav.
Smallest particle of matter that make molecules.
Anish. Anish, tell me. Anish, tell me. Unmute yourself, Anish. Anish, unmute yourself. हाँ बोलो.
Smallest particle of the matter.
Smallest part. आपको अनिश आपकी definition बतानी है, not Pranav's. This is the smallest definition that Pranav has given. आपको आपके standard का बताना है. हाँ, मगर अभी आपके में एक और line add हुई है. Pranav, you give 1 point, and Anish, you also give 1 point. Today, everybody who will tell the right answer will get 1 point. So both of you will get 1 point. So Anish, you give the example. Anish, you give the example of atoms. Okay. Anish, you give the example. At least give the definition and example.
Example हम दे सकते हैं, जैसे कि neon हो गया, उसको हम example की तरह दे सकते हैं.
Okay. Next question. Second question. What is matter? Pranav.
The things around us which occupy space, has weight, and can be perceived by our senses.
Anushka, yes, you can tell Anushka. Pranav, 1 point. Anushka, you can also tell.
And anything that has mass and volume and occupies space.
This is according to your point. Very good. Mass and volume which occupies the space. Write down 1 point, Anushka and Anish. According to your standard. सबके आंसर सही है, मगर सब में एक एक लेवल ऊपर हो रहा है. अनिश, आपका आंसर चाहिए.
फिर तो रहने दो मैम, मेरा भी आंसर.
कोई बात नहीं. एनीथिंग जो भी अभी माइंड में है, यू कैन टेल मी व्हाट इज मैटर.
Anything that takes space and have mass.
And have mass. Anushka, your answer was
and volume.
Yes, yes, good. Okay, all three will get 1 mark. Next question. Next question. Anish, lower hand. My next question is state of matters. Pranav.
Ma'am, major states are solid, liquid, and gas, and minor states are plasma and Bose-Einstein state.
Very good, Pranav. Give 1 + 1 for this answer. Very good. I think, Anushka, I think you have studied few more states. 3 states are okay, but okay, Anish, you tell me. Unmute. Unmute and tell. Anish, you are telling, but you are muted. हाँ बोलिए Anish.
Ma'am, solid, liquid, gas, and plasma, and
ma'am, I have one doubt.
एक मिनट Anish, that is okay, but Anushka, you studied 1 more states. The अभी आपने पढ़ा अनुष्का, अभी recent chapters. Okay, Pranav, you tell me. I will come back to Anushka. You tell me what you are asking.
Ma'am,
yes.
all to light and sound are perceived by our senses. Ma'am, they are antimatter, no?
They are antimatter. Oh, very good, Pranav. You have studied each and every line of your textbook, huh? Very good.
Ma'am, we don't have only antimatter.
You don't have? So where you have studied? Yes, Anish want to tell something. Yes, Anish, tell me.
I have seen it in YouTube.
Anish want to tell something?
I don't know.
No, ma'am, nothing.
That I will explain.
In Google, ma'am, when I searched in Google, when I get to know there is something like antimatter, it is telling that its atoms have not any space. Do not have any space.
Yes, so they are the different, and this is quite above your syllabus, because even Anushka and Anish must not be knowing about these states, right? Anushka, आपको पता था? Anish, आपको पता था? These are the things which is beyond your syllabus, but we can discuss it later. Let me ask the next question. Yes, or yes.
After quiz, can you just? After quiz, you have to tell us.
Okay, done. Okay, students. Now my next question is a bit tricky. I will be using a statement, and you all have to tell me on which states this property belongs. I will be telling you one statement.
Ma'am, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, ma'am.
Ready? Their particles can't flow. Solid, liquid, या gas? Tell me.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Ma'am, solid.
Wait, Pranav, wait. I am repeating my question. Their
Ma'am, I have
particles.
raised hand.
Wait, Pranav. I will tell you who will answer and when will answer. Okay, Pranav, please wait. I am repeating my question. Their particles can't flow. Now, okay. Yes, Pranav, you have given your answer. Anushka?
Solid.
Ma'am, solid.
Solids. Yes. Now these points are very important. Give 1 mark to both. दोनों को 1 marks देना है. Now my next question is, their density is much lesser than the rest two. Density is much less. Pranav.
Gases.
Very good. Give 1 mark. Third statement. It can be compressed a little bit. It can be compressed, but a little bit. Only Pranav has raised hand. Yes, Pranav.
Liquid.
Very good. Give 1 mark.
Ma'am, because liquid is.
Now this is something. Anushka?
Ma'am,
Yes,
liquid.
give 1 mark, Anushka. 1 mark. This is correct. Now this statement that I am going to speak is that it's something that I have just told you, Anushka. अभी थोड़े दिन पहले जब मैंने I have started teaching you this concept और ये statement ही बोला था. There is a strong force of attraction between the particles. Which 3 out of? Okay, Pranav.
Solid.
Is it right, Anushka? Okay, solid. Now, last question. Particles are loosely packed. Yes, Pranav.
Gases.
No. Yes, Anushka, you can try.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
liquid. Because gases are not packed.
So this 1 mark goes to Anushka. Pranav, your point is for this. Don't give any point for this answer because your answer was gaseous. Let Anushka score for this. And now tell me the total marks. The total mark. It's already 10 minutes. 522. Total all the marks.
8.